Most people spend 40 hours making videos every week. You could spend 4. Not by working harder, not by spending money, by using a system that runs almost on its own. This system earned over $500 last month, with zero prior experience. Watch closely. ChatGPT wrote the title. It wrote the full script. A free tool created the voiceover, another designed the thumbnail, another uploaded it. I did one thing. Pressed publish. That is not luck, that is a system, and you are about to use it. You start with 0 subscribers. 0 experience, 0 budget. No camera needed, no microphone needed, just a laptop. But one mistake destroys most channels before they ever grow. Almost every beginner makes it. It kills growth instantly. Stay here, you will avoid it. I made that mistake first. It cost me weeks. Not tools, not editing. One small decision made too early. I will show it at exactly 4 minutes and 30 seconds. But first you need the system, because the system changes everything. Then the mistake will make complete sense. People making money right now moved early. They saw the shift. Most beginners see it too late, after they already quit. You will not quit, because you will follow a system, not guess blindly. System first, mistake later, results always. Starting YouTube used to cost money. Camera, microphone, editing software. Now that is optional. AI writes scripts in seconds. AI builds thumbnails in minutes. Cost drops to 0. The average beginner channel using AI tools gets over 800 views in month 2. Most people ignore this advantage. You will not. Faceless channels are growing faster than any other format right now. Not vlogs, not lifestyle, simple screen recordings, clear voiceovers, useful information. That is what people watch. That is what the algorithm pushes. And beginners can win here, because value beats production quality every single time. Tool 1 is ChatGPT. Most people use it wrong. They type, "Make me a YouTube video," and get something useless back. You will use structured prompts. That changes everything. One prompt builds your full video, title, script, description, ready in 60 seconds. Use this exact prompt. Write a YouTube script titled, "Your topic here." Make it beginner-friendly, under 5 minutes. Press enter, watch the output appear. That is 40 minutes of work, done in 40 seconds, every single time. 1 video per week, 4 per month. Each gets 1,000 views. That equals $100 to $500 monthly. Not viral, just consistent. Consistency builds income. Tool 2 creates your voice. No microphone, no recording, no voice training. Paste your script, select a voice, generate. That is your narration. Clean, fast, repeatable, ready immediately. Paste text, select voice, click generate. Audio ready. No microphone, no studio, no voice training, just paste and click. Voice actors cost real money, sometimes $300 per video. This costs 0. 4 videos monthly saves up to $1,000. Your profit margin increases, fast. Tool 3 builds your thumbnail, no design skills needed. Templates already exist, you edit text only, that is enough. Because simple wins clicks, clear message, strong contrast, that is what works. Select template, change text, export file. Done in 3 minutes. A thumbnail that took designers an hour, you do it in 3 minutes. Better thumbnails increase clicks. More clicks bring more views. More views bring more revenue. Triple clicks means triple income. Same effort, better packaging. Tool 4 handles SEO. Most beginners skip this. That is why they fail. They upload great videos. Nobody finds them. The algorithm never pushes what it cannot categorize. Good content is not enough. People must find it first. TubeBuddy makes that happen. Type your keyword. Check the score. Green means opportunity. Red means avoid. This one step puts your video in front of people already searching for it. Most channels never do it. Better SEO brings more views. More views compound every month. Growth becomes faster. That adds an extra $100 to $300 monthly from optimization alone. Tool 5 multiplies your content. One video becomes 10 pieces. Short videos get pushed faster. They reach new audiences automatically. More reach, same effort. One upload becomes 10 pieces of content. Short videos now pay creators. Extra income adds up fast. That adds $50 to $150 monthly. Small gains stack. Now combine everything. Script, voice, thumbnail, SEO, clips, all automated. You connect the steps. That is the system. 45 minutes total, one video per week. Long videos earn $500. Short videos add $150. Total becomes $650 monthly, from free tools, from simple systems. Month 1 feels slow. That is normal. You learn the system first. Results come later. Month 3 changes everything, if you stay consistent. Here is the mistake. Uploading before your system is ready. Most beginners rush to publish. They post one video, get 5 views, quit. They never built the system first. You did the opposite. You built the system before you posted. That is why you will not quit. That is the real advantage. System builds momentum. Momentum builds growth. Growth builds income. That is the chain. Use it. One action right now. Subscribe to this channel. Next video gives you the exact ChatGPT prompts. Copy, paste, done. No subscription means you start from scratch next time. Subscription means you never start from scratch again. That is the difference. Subscribe now. Link is below.